All right, in this video, I'm gonna share with you one of my cool ninja tools that we use in my business in order to help our team grow and get more deals. Now, if you haven't heard about my method and the way I find properties, the way I'm able to live in 3 different countries and buy properties in all of those different countries, well, it's all about building a team. So you should definitely check out the other videos about networking and building a team because that's really important. But I also get the question asked, Nathan, how do you do this? How do you find deals? How does your team manage that? How do you put all these things together? Well, in this video, I want to share with you a really cool mobile app that we use to help generate deals while my deal hunters are on the go. They may be in our target market, they may be just on the outskirts of our target market, or even in their backyard. So be sure to check out the videos on how I build my virtual team and how I do that. And I want to introduce you to one of the tools that we use. It's called Deal Machine, also known as the dealmachineapp.com. All right, and here is a very simple app. Very easy to use. Let me just show you what happens. I think you're really going to like this one because this all revolves around finding deals, but also about marketing. So it's basically where you turn your phone into an off-market deal machine. Now, remember, it's all about finding off-market deals, okay? Anything listed on the public sites, someone might have already seen it. Now, don't get me wrong. You may find some deals sometimes, of course. However, the best deals are always the ones that are off market and not visible by a lot of people, okay? So that's where you can find deals working directly with sellers, okay? So here's what happens. Let me show you how it works. First, you find a property, right? Whether it's a property that you had your eye on or spotted on the drive to work, Deal Machine works with all residential properties. Then you take a picture. You use the Deal Machine app to take a picture of the property, and this is where the real magic begins. Next, Deal Machine looks up the property owner information based on using your location. It looks up the contact information from the property county's database, along with other data providers as well, and it results in accurate data to help you reach the owner. Then a personalized mail goes out, all right? So this is where your pre-written template, your crafted message on a postcard, and a picture of the property, the picture that you took of the property, goes out to the homeowner of that property. So you're getting the right contact, the right person, and it automatically sends the letter for you on your behalf. All right, so here's what it looks like. Looks like something like this. Each picture you have taken with your Deal Machine app sends a personalized physical mail to the property owner, okay? And this also includes your name, the property information. There's the front, right? There's the front of the card, gets the information, has your information on there as well. Then when we flip it over, hey, it says, is this your property? The other day I was driving by your house. There's the address. There it is. If you have any interest in selling fast, as is, with 0 commissions or closing costs, cash offer, I would like to buy it. There's the number, right? How easy is that? Now keep in mind, you've probably seen this in my other videos. That doesn't mean it has to be your personal number. That could be one of your other automated numbers. It could be one of your business numbers. It could be a number from CallRail or other of the softwares that I've mentioned, or other softwares that you may be using, Google Voice, whatever it is. That allows you to, so you're not putting your personal number on there, okay? So let me, I just quickly set up a free account here. We actually have a business account that my team uses, and I'm going to show you that here just in a second. But I just started a free account just so you can see the back end of it and how the dashboard looks like. So here's where all your deals will pop up in this section, okay? Anytime you're taking pictures, it will show you that. Then in the analytics, it will show you how many deals you've added, how much mail was sent, and enhanced searches, okay? Now, deal credits, let me just jump back here and show you about the deal credits. I'll jump into pricing because you know me, I always jump into pricing. Let's go over the deal credits here. Pricing here gives you the basic at $49 a month, and it gives you unlimited property owner lookups and property info. Then it's 99 cents per skip trace, okay, and it looks up the phone number and the email address. Now that's pretty standard, 99 cents. Now there's other companies that are more expensive, but we've used companies like Spokio and a few other ones that are pretty much 99 cents. And then the postcard is 99 cents, and it does it for you. And also here is a very powerful thing. Up to 3 deal finders. Okay, so what is that? That's if you have people on your team, right? And I get this question asked to me quite often, like, Nathan, how do like how do you streamline this, how do you get other people to use tools like you. These are one of the tools that we like to use, and it's very simple and easy to very easy to use and integrate into our system. And then I wanted to show you the templates. For example, these are the templates that you can have that you can choose from. All right, is this your property? You can easily edit these like right here. It's not that difficult. You can change them right here on the fly. Not difficult at all. And you can also select different team members right within. So if you have 3 different team members, you can select each team member has their own template as well. You can easily invite your team members right here, invite teams right there. The different settings that you have, the export addresses. You can also get free leads by using the promo code, and you can use this code right here. I actually included it below this video. You can get $5 worth of free credit if you use that promo code when you sign up. It's a very simple dashboard. There's not a whole lot to it, and you can use the filters to filter out through your properties, and it's a very simple tool with the filter. But it's very, very simple to use, very easy, nothing super complicated. You're basically doing on-the-fly marketing when people, it's like, okay, you've heard of driving for dollars, right? You've heard of driving for dollars. So driving for dollars, whether it's yourself or people of your team, are going out gathering this information. So basically what this app does is you're doing like 2 things at the same time. Actually, you're doing like 3 things at the same time. You're getting the address of the property. Well, they're doing it for you. You're getting the address of the property. It aggregates all that data and it puts it into your Deal Machine dashboard. Okay. Then it sends the postcard, right? It sends the postcard, and that's another form of doing the marketing as well. And now you're going to get pull marketing because they're going to call you. See how powerful it is? So very, very simple tool to use. Not that complicated to set up at all. And it is really powerful if you are doing this form of marketing, if you're doing this form of hunting for deals, whether it's yourself or if it's, you're bringing in deal hunters or deal finders on your team. All right. This is something I use, me and my team, for when we're scouting for deals. They use it primarily. I don't. I just use the back end of it. They use it primarily because they're in the field, and as you know, I'm usually consistently traveling or in different countries, so they use it on a regular basis. We love it. We've been using it for quite some time. I think probably coming up to 2 years now. We absolutely love it. We find deals through it, and it also helps us build our database, sometimes of vacant houses and whatnot. So get on board with it. Try it. They give you a 14-day free trial. Test it out. If you're driving for dollars, it works in your own backyard again, or if you are going to go and give it access to someone else in a deal that you're working virtually, great opportunity to make that happen as well. Also, if you do sign up, use the code below and let me know your experience. Let me know what the results you get, and let's talk about it, okay? All right, I'll see you in the next video.